As soon as I learned that I was not the only person living on this planet, I developed an interest to learn how other people speak their languages. That's how I learned some other Bantu languages in Southern Africa. I don't speak them fluently, but I was curious to know what my neighbors were thinking about. I was curious to learn how they talk. Now, more than the curiosity, I learned as I grew older that we build healthier relationships when we understand where others are coming from. Why are you learning Sesotho? I would like to know. Please share that with me in any way you find comfortable. Today we are learning about Sesotho verbs or diketso. Let me know if you have any questions. And again, welcome to my Udemy studio.